Going on from those strong winds, News Channel 3's Maria Bouchot continues live First Alert team coverage in La Quinta, where some homeowners and business owners are dealing with the aftermath. Marion, still looking breezy there as well.
Yeah, still feeling the winds. Definitely not as strong as they were last night, but we have some pretty serious damage here. So I'm going to get out of the way. I'm going to let my photographer show you. So look at this damage here from this house. The tree barely missing it falling on top of the house. So obviously the front porch and part of the corner of the house is damaged, but most of the house is still intact, but a lot of the fence is destroyed. And this is not just this house. So many different houses here in the La Quinta Cove have been dealing with similar issues, you know, whether it's a big tree like this one or smaller ones. The wind's already starting to pick up over here, but I did talk with some other residents here who have downed trees in their yards and how they're handling this situation.
This one was really bad. It was like a freight train coming through.
Many struggled to fall asleep during Tuesday night's heavy winds, then woke up to the aftermath in their front yards.
We've had other windstorms that's taken our roof off and stuff, but never blown down the tree like it did.
Heidi Lindsay and her daughter Melissa are just one of the many Cove residents in La Quinta who suffered storm damage.
This one, I have to say, is the worst that I've experienced, me personally. Lots of anxiety. I was like, oh my gosh, no. I was just hoping and praying that the tree didn't blow through our house.
They say the city came to cut the tree onto their property, but now they're left with finding who will remove the debris.
$1,200. That's about the cheapest that we've seen so far. But it's so expensive that we're trying to see if there's somebody that could get us a lower estimate.
Along Avenue 50 in India, workers were seen picking up lots of tree debris, and the fences near the Empire Polo grounds had fallen over. Crews were also at Old Town La Quinta doing major cleanup.
The weather changed so crazy, so everybody started coming inside so crazy. The doors was open and closed.
Jose Santos was working at Stuffed Pizza Tuesday night as the windstorm got worse. Now the restaurant left with several broken heaters and umbrellas, the worst he's seen in the last couple years.
People last night waiting 1.5 hours to get a table inside. So it was bad.
As the community cleans up the mess from Tuesday's storm, they're now preparing for the next one.
We used to flood here all the time, and now we are just praying to God we don't flood out.
So here's another view of the fallen tree that we showed you before we went into our story. So you can just see just how massive it is and just the amount of damage that it caused. So like I said, it's not the only downed tree here in the La Quinta Cove. There were crews scattered all over the community working to fix those trees, chop them up, make them smaller and easier to transport to the dump. So it's going to be a few days for those workers to get everything ultimately cleaned up. Live in La Quinta, Maria Bouchot, News Channel 3.